Listen, my dear sister. Yes, this is not criminal. This is worse than criminal. Me said the boy takes me up and what he said me if you go do one surgery in Liverpool, Maria. If you go do one surgery and it costs him much money no have you. Me say me no neither no cause. And I'm going a big. He say alright the doctor saying if you come in with 40,000. Because he's a football player when I play football long time the fall and butter. So some butter blood that cause him pay a bleed little so I'm going to do surgery. Then say me do surgery. The boy, no do not more so deep and say, coach, I just reached in the hospital and here they are stringing me up. I said, which hospital? Sentence be hospital. Because I couldn't do no better, I couldn't do no wait no longer and they tell me to come in. So I said, why you not in hospital going? Because no matter the quick as possible, them put you in go, them put you in going to put those things on you. I said, then do it because I saw. I said, why you not the hospital? You find it, they say. I said, why you know this, why you know that? When the little idiot not realize when my fake, he make sure the background fake. If the little wise in go on one bed, and lie on one table and put down white sheet on him. This is why they use tape on you, because when you go do, there's something they don't put tape on your skin and in a hospital. He say, I said, then do it down here, cause. You saw the boy wicked. I just tell me go give one of my cousin. While me I talk to one of my cousin, I tell my cousin say we talk to him same time. So my cousin I talk to him same time. And my cousin attack me, say, cousin say, yes, cousin, they home, I cook now. And me ask him when daughter, and he say, daughter gone over his mother. And I saw she get from him and I tell me, and I saw me a power for me to him. Then me go send it to one of my brother. I say, where your brother then? He say, why? Because you don't see he's on Facebook now. We all on Facebook, you know, can they? Me say, I saw, me ask him, he say, well, because what is it about? Me send the text again, brother. His brother send me back and say, Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. So this man, you know, me send it to one of my cousin, the tiny auntie. I put Maria. The one that told me to go on weekend and she said, you need Jesus, I could pray for him. When you go on weekend, me I go tackle him. You saw people can wicked. You saw people, me about something, but me never said that one yet. Put earphone on his body. Tape it down. God. Jesus, me happy laugh. I tell you man, Jamaican people them bad and dangerous.